about TETE MMOFRA online TV so midi at the boss lab afun there be ada so hu me wo feed kese so a me de anigye ho nsama enam abefo ntintan video so na me de ebro na me wo studio ha so de many MC Omar Sterling na ono ma no ho nsamrane say the finest MC in America so studio ha say ya and they best swimming deep down to entertainment stories and a topic for discussion I say udeti obi a wawari a emfasodia ewom ene emfasodia enim na emponu se nipa na woni na etwe mpona no wawari a be ma no wawari a sen na ubesi ene natsna sen na movement besi aye aha so we are going to discuss much about it. MC Omar Sterling wahanti discussion a be day na me kai will say be catching agrochemical say ene bebre mo di poni efu so because of some who say efu ne ye din nanso se wo bi catching agrochemical na wa ya efu na wo di bi gugugugu so a oni akati eni twaka ni no ba ye no from esa so a ba kama kese a wo di kudwa so a ye betam o na wo so atimi nya bi di ato na akwata so na ye sisikeni wo we eya na fa ni premai eti usika kakra no utimi di bo premai e ma ne ye afei so pese woni TETE MMOFRA online TV woni dija ya pno wo honom kakraka na ya pno so ya bia to wonom se security bia ni honom wram na woni ani nkomo no hihye ya kitu abie ba bodon komi ato ade ton de so ama wo mo nya mfaso number ne is 02071701300 02071701300 discussion wo ho stories wo ho ye ntwa ye ho sema ye ba ye de aka beto no so
TV shining bright, serving laughter day and night. Feel the joy it brings to you.
Catch yourself. So you na ono baye ebe so na ye fefefe a eye nuro bi ene betimi ama na yeyi we ye friend say savior eye duru a ye dugu eno baye so enye savior nko uhwe we ya ya to ne din say strike ye duru a eno so ye dugu meka ne say atosode ema aboa bie ntimi mfa na no enye den enka enye no nko we me de ma to ne din say slim macho idi ankasa eye imba so ye duru a nani ya din pa enu so di gu no bae so a na che say abo bi o so bia no obeko hwe uhwe meti ha nya wura ne gu ha we ya yoyo die hu ani sitiro go so a wo sa mezop no wo fa we ya nka ho a enye die hu wuza so na be ma no bae no anyini prom so we yakuani na ba beto se wontosi wato so de anyini kama na wakoma ye den atho yem enti ope bi ato a fu ani kire kumase emrom ko bi ka kire agrochemical shop ono oton no ba ye hundo nyina makasa afi memakuaye aye de ade agara jutu mina minio eno
efu na nkwa ni mu no
enkwa bem osise wugidi a enumpe ho akokwa obetimi ama nam aba ho media na mani da so se kokoi die mensi mu biem mi be twitwa yeja na me ba yo ya Johnson ana o ka chem se papa betene kumase nam se me tene kumase agede mi ja kokoi ho ana o se ene wate aduro bi nka na o kwa akope bi ato abrem o de ba ya shiakate o shiakate an shiakate na nya shiakate no nko a dependable eye shiakate ana dependable ni nyina ye adwuma ba ko yenka mom na aduro yi ana atimi ashiakate a tese akummu a ewo kokoi nyina so kokoi modaduru eno ane wuza
na se no na mo na so ntem sa no
afi na eno so ubebubu yagu o tanki mu na wodi nsu yagu hu na wahihye wo che new globes yi wahye wo nsa eno nose mask wahihye wo space yi uwi a wawo so no na afi watamabo wachi timi nua kokoi akuafo mesremo se munni mo ho abro maka na maka ukọ na akwa duro edi akwa kukum wakate dia eno ane shiakate board aya aban adwumaefo ama approve say shiakate no ubetimi ato de egu ukoko so anase dependable no anase wuza no ubetimi ato e de egu ukoko so open do sopo etususu a fu ani kire kumase emrom bi ka chire agrochemicals on na toto ndura hodo nyina na umpe we opede yin yi Paul amantem wo sele dikafo wo bantem anka ka chire jutu
Cool TV shining bright, serving laughter day and night. Feel the joy it brings to
Your first story at HB social and media so. Your first story Ketchy Joshua Abe Kansil be at the Atua Befontin Tafidia so then some tintin in the theatre and say Jackie. Your head Jackie, no yen to me. Now your hair Jackson or yes me training as a says wasn't running to more. Or when they say ya Jackson and to our water or ya dear Kurampo Saint Jackie, you would tin and was no emra.
Yeah, I love your song. The Moses song is mad. Moses. Hi. Hey, Yaya see the sing past Jackie. Yaya Jackson the sing past Jackie. Forget everybody. No credit on my canon. If you're it, I say, one of my phone Twitter. Zion, bank of Warino. Hey, I am correct Twitter.
Shatawale so ababe kasa. Nensema all Kenyan say I am the news and I will make you keep talking and on God I promise it go be the hour of the day. Ni say I'm then a Ghana from gumi mu visa. Me sika bia menye bia no eya hoodin a me de sem adwuma mu ena ma me sika o. Aka me ma me fa font na manim emfa powder mo manim ento ano nhya married mbobo net. Do you know what money is about? Do you know what money is about? Now what say a media station be warning and I see you when so warning say see you need to the workers wonderful because see you must see air tarnishing image you know on what the assembly bar on one casano see you never have a how no so you go tin and was some emra.
Make I tell you something. Anybody will go make mistake again, Anybody will go make mistake. We go that stupid PCF and UTV. We you go. In fact, see the things I can't talk about despite. Me I won't go FBI. Cause yeah. Anybody will go make that mistake again. We go UTV, PCF and those kind of things and go mention my name for there. The things I will talk about despite. This country will not go hold them. This country like no go hold them. This country like no go hold them. Make somebody make that mistake and come and go that despite in TV station there. And go talk negative about me again. And make despite also say no they see. Despite I know they disrespect you. But since the point of view for that, they tell you constant daddy. Me bupa, my father said me role model. Me dopa, man question sama moya no. So one moment die. Nyama me kikalong. Me show bien mo. Me show bien. Me power chopper. I respect you so much. But I say I talk this matter. I talk for this year. Nobody sober. And it's not going. The things I can't see, it will affect all of us. So my warning, no munjai. Me pa chopa. Umano nutrition. Mini the difference about ya me fa to me make us nice. Women am person me nice time na me hu na me chow. Na me so one motivate ye numbi. But the way I don't know untie me. Person be tie me. And I don't like that. I am not begging you to do anything for me. I am not asking you or by force. I'm just telling you that we be a company the way I'm running on mempe. Me need you and me no. The way I also would be legit no. Sana me so me dey legit. Me peso bi abe mi ofi, peso bi abe ofi. Enti me power chow papa.
Yeah, pam. At the back, abontin. Yeah, shall see. Ni abeko discussion so say so wo dey timi fa so be when you so be bra na so be awaware krampa mfasodi ewom ana say mfasodi a enim na mpono se wo mu dada mpa sen na wo besi any relationship say na obesi ayama wan kasa no won say wade na ye oda na say no won say ade no aha but yen ko discussion so kakra about two stories I had buy yen ko ne papa
SM will be SM and SM will forever be SM. Me Shatawale untimi no emfamfuli na manenye FBI nsense me bay nipa bebe ne ekomo so I didn't Shatawale na moboni di as an artist I celebrate wo Ghana.
No mo bo medical so di.
Me maintain medical di say Shatawale obi a shada ana almost say the godfather ye Kofi Boat nti ya Kofi Boat there Shatawale kan I didn't know no na moboni di. Only big business moguls or more Ghana how me fucking lie. Obi any mobia a source of income. And they say yachi obi yachi no. Memma a dream means I must say yachi we as so be kan no we yes I now any panic area. Into also about out me kwan can make assassin say. Shatawale we call the free mo. One and also in the promos or some mu yedin. No mchemu kena na Ghana for say be mo Jimmy. FBI ba won ye hu say ye trace won ye hu udin ye hu Shatawale din tenant na also cut na with TV stations so na say radio station e cut talk trash about the SM boss we yes na alternation image it's not fine into me ne ya 100% and won say anya bi nka ho na say still na ne ho betimi aba asem nkofo no mu free kromu a o mo wa ha che say operation e cost go serve ehu o boy kura sabia na se wadan for bi wo sika bi kura na ono opi onim so onye fucking like bia ba as a young guy o twi Lamborghini there o ti hwe ni sikem as a young guy o twi Ferrari there sebi o si enko hwe ni sikem into ama street so aye shepa into munja san kwase asem sebi
one thing that I've noticed is say young comfa emma aside so a whenever bia so ban worry no achieve bia automatically you know say oye jantrani that kind of attitude also need to put like people need to put a stop to it because we example like Dulcie Boati this lady was proving herself severally on many occasions of which see you see be proving a point you could see say it is true
God's love
but still now you who say you e bia jantra brabo bi no bibo this is the time Ghanaians need to appreciate women are omoye forceful they are able to earn their money unlike any time nipa na single cramp na wa TV bibia or yes single kwa na won ware ye die
Ghana God's love you know our problem a man no omona amaye hu ne sa ente sa kra na ntine say kremu boni say dey be am hu kremu bobo say dey mo can say I don't know and omoya saade no ana obi agwata wonam se wo waka wa hunso sonso no be sonso no ana se krama kwa anwe ne se kire wa ikofa ekura kura obedwane ebi se won hu bi da ana se obi hu bi da na se obi hu se ge wa ye fucking la bi da adwin bi ani ho be ba se who prove yourself wrong ba obi na mo sa da de Anita Kufu ye example onam we unim se de Anita Kufu tie se me obi be ka che me se Anita Kufu ye hukapa me njinni ebi se me hwe ne personality ne se osi na mo carry ne ho na me nyinni ade so the prove ne kra no metna wa hwe say ne sene ne bibia ye pa ebi se me hu no na me hu se de ositie ba wo do obi begina street ni so na ka oh asemesi de say we de sa no motie we mu de sa no motie ade ntina ye kasa ade no
so that means I was the way I see carry on so man Crawford down
from Obanas obesi carry on me say ye obi wo Ghana ha oye oba wonte ne ho asem da o ya we obetimi amma me celebrate so we ma 5 a omo Ghana ho wonte say we hakoye say wonte say we hakoye say ba obi wo ho a onye kwara na ye di susu no ade no onye ye no ba ye hu say o sitie ni we de so obeye we mu na sisi ana omo ye
one example is Cookie Tini and Anita Kufu omumi enu nyina omu media na so we know them
fasage we kan onimu yedu pa omi ni mu yedu obonyi oye media personalities ni boy oba but I don't know ni dini ba leader force na we untimi mfa jantra ma ko say leader force say bi odini ho ansa na odidi o fe ye kwa so be kasa asem na kire no e wonanim be ma bi wo ha mo ni mo ye hare ama utimi kwotena o be bi kwara timi kwokeka asem we mu de sisi no mo ye enso unim no ba se de wasi akare ne hu ni nti no ena ubi akoyem so na ya mpa into proving yourself wrong na yanka bibia from the start one na fake your lifestyle and yesu yengu se sa na we live into say de obesi achi bibini nipa bibini ubetimi atwim na adwana so bed divert na adwana ko ba bi se enye sa no bebre
Yoko, your next topic, so that is Ya Jackson. And Jackie Asama Ketche Joshua can you say, Ketche Joshua said, Ya Jackson, any known to be brave, as in Jackie, is it true?
Ghana is so before Sabi Jimmy Backway on the farm fully here dead. See, I could share will be oh, the whole one now, won't fair. Then there, you better can some more baby independent money in China. You cannot make a diamond into my nigga, you can say you more, you benam, oh, by the castle, and you power, and you will see. Wow, nimpefe. Modern boy Jackie Bo. What did Jackie Num cut because songbird gave it in the voice while for papa you or papa we on Namso. Now, why wouldn't no cray? Say one time Jackie him say be a town or town and I saw found fooling himself. Oh, Ya Jackson in Mudia. What's why I find you? Hey, the same pass Jackie. Only you want campo. Let me tell a brave son called dear Fian Octana, Dimba Beshon say. Corbett, Kamiakas man reply.
And this, there is one thing so I've noticed about Ya Jackson and our face so Jackie. Maybe deny Asama Abia Joshua Ketche Kase Ya Jackson dear saying Jackie. But to be honest, one of your artists Wagana has underrating the Ya Jackson. But to me, the girl is very good.
Oh, you're good. Because Ya Jackson, you're good.
It's very good. Of which I say underrating it because of say you set only but singing no cha. Na singing na watcha all of a sudden.
A very bad girl.
What be a musician? What you say? And a singing na no cha. Ye roll na near the money in your bag. And you sooner want to say so. All of a sudden, I'm who's all born. That is what Ghanaians don't want to accept it. But to be honest, the girl. We will be able to see Ya Jackson and your man. Loki, the girl is good.
And a good cry now, aside the goodness in music, cry no. The personality, need him say Ya Jackson, Tessa. Ya Jackson and Car, sorry, or no, the movie cry, the baby and the Metononco, ya sorry, Nanko, preacher, mouth, and answer with 2 months for, and answer no, the baby and my mere wage and a Hong Kong woody. Into whom picture beside Ya Jackson, a good girl. Oh, Ya Jackson, the old and cry, we and the cry, which and a cry won't feel. What kind of cry won't feel?
So, my say when you know, I say I intertwine.
Yeah, sitting here, see who Ya Jackson. What I bet say,
what I to say, Mammy say one year in the song on your wassail.
Me who say Ya Jackson day, tear rubber by your bonasum, up bonnet kittens. Hey, I don't know me and Tafana. Is there Ya Jackson?
Could jump me and the young do. Be petty rubber.
I'm saying Ya Jackson, you say on no petty rubber or no pade or bien libida, Nanka Christo near ba. Just the cable to be him so a Christo name, Mr. Nanko, Elder Puko, a Pentecost, I don't know. A shame when I made the pa.
And I want the family and you say so.
And oh, share on the floor now, de bana. Nanko ya pique bonny style.
Yeah.
Me now ye bonifio now pe bad girl or 2 me die Ya Jackson way back. On no back was one for Jackson say friend my mayor. Into no na yemfa. Into ye picture near who is Ya Jackson there. Ne na utimi quiet tattoo cross on no fum. Okosi aside into na say I enter no be papa ye say very calm guy Jackson came to win him the corner say we share no cross say e buo ah papa de be mo na we jama na sa kwem like who ni mabusen and obi lifestyle fan but na say see who Ya Jackson now o free precope be yes and na you obi anwa nti na attention nim no obo no so ni pede na attention was so na Ya Jackson say obo na hey na wakoye tattoo kwat bi kwada na as na akoye nsema eko nti na ni padre nche den ni music ne so bono no so pese attention ba music ne so and yes say o si ye ne hu ni na nkope of attention for music. So what I say, me say, we shall not so criticize and answer who say, oh my bad boy, you see, me and Madame we know God's love about me. Would him so mad dear, Opie Juma, and on the branding or the Pisica on Fanco Bokro no. Sana Kaya Jackson, a panel, but Uncle Unisa. Ne bad girls in an uncle, the potential for music now, oh, yeah.
But when you say, I watched an interview from the father side, and to be honest, my steady line, some of the father kind, since a warrior, you could see, say, near my brain, no man, no, yeah, sound.
Totally. On Unimunia Ketuano. Unimunia Ketuano. Yeah, so evangelist who preach it. On another music and Kobe, on Nanka movie, Nanka Musan Kobabe, stop bomb boy. If it's a movie, then in the two Robia on only penny for them.
Debbie, and then talk as a jack time, you be sad.
Onona, it didn't go to catch a covetusan and Hennessy hippopotamus, on a sacrana when you be evangelism. Bono cross what divertical baby for, and then the near who is Uncle Pano. Memenkas or a bonio, Bian and lifestyle, Miss Own to me, Mecanjam is minim de medeme hope. Midi Pesicame found one tis over Oma, I could you be at the other, and as my cooking will be fun. The moon name is a man, and one of the pescafa. By Ya Jackson, the end of the day, Obian, Ya Jackson. I move with me, Susan, and nature you baby. The moon baby, and I quarter time and I can feel like perception. As a money pa, I bush at the shop.
That is Ghana for you. Say, you some woman could not that is Ghana for you.
But that was the reason, Tia, or Yen was but you don't understand.
Yeah, the one know is because of
music, attention.
And I know, yes, but now me. A bar, once I pass our social microphones, Jackson, you want to say,
when your attention, yeah,
more than the song that the girl is reading.
That's it.
But to be honest, to me, when it's all your talent.
Oh, Ya Jackson, ever vibes, and I will show you the man so beat me out.
So, this is the 2 stories I did buy for a TETE MMOFRA. You made discussion, I say. Who date will be a when you see maybe 10, 15, 20 years, and as I would date a married man. What is the advantage? What is the disadvantage? And even so, how do you go by it? Wednesday, so we went to our homes and we learnt about it. We seek explanations from people who are well educated in what they do with the topic that we are coming to talk about right now. So today we are very, very inclined in what we are coming to say. Don't look down on us that we are kids, because the brain is more than the body.
You can't tell.
Yeah, the brain is more than the body. Yeah,
so
and the first point in where okay, it's a way a podcast, so we are going to
my dear,
call for advantage. So
now you know, okay,
advantage
I see no advantage in this one. If you tell me say I was a question on what I say, meaning say oh they all can hear right, but I was say viewers and I say omo mutie ne ahwefo nyina ya wo esese ne ye pa kire ne end divert nko ba bia God's love person o kire mo say se wo ya akra ene se wanyine obi a wanyine si wontimi ni ndeti o ba wo ya akra your youth age no ubetimi akofa sugar daddy papa panyina wanyine si ho ato ho so ana. That's the question. Ba o ka kire me say ubetimi any obi a waware na se obi a wanyine si ho if you say relationship can papa mu no o your ba for obi a wanyine sen
o ba won near bro so de
the utie me and the maximum when I was say 5 years acha kwa na emfa 6-7 years was say be man enyine sen o ba no to what as nyansem no kan nyansem de nkasa na tie ba memma ninya wo de bebre say woni panyini kwatwe mpena ye advantage bi mum say said the city 18, 21, 19 years no akofo obi a or traffic what ko sugar daddy man wo akora we 18 or say mu agree obi a o chen 20 years 30 years o sugar daddy onye obi a wanyine say o say o study ne netena me pese o mote adi bia se wa hanum say the be o mon keka ne o mambom ye wo different between sugar daddy any obi a wanyine say wa o pese wo ne netena sugar daddy enim say wo boyfriend sugar daddy enim say waware e wo mma a ne mma mumpo no ebi anyine sen wo ebi sen wo panyini muntie me ye o ebi sen wo panyini ne mma ne mpo no ebi sen wo panyi na wo akora akofa ne ho eto ho say wo kogidi na di o papa we di obekwa ahia oko wan ran pe wabre oko twetwe man kura se bi waye kum no dampa ne so iskana no de be ma ba wa se menya sugar daddy bi na menya yombo e bi obetimi se bi awo me we wo me na we ma miska na oko fa yare ono na hu ni se je se ye ka sugar daddy asem sugar daddy de na mo so
ba woni se whether se nipa na nyina na se wo nyini ye no oye young se wo nyini so oye young wo be fa yare
God's love, they are confused and we have to educate the public and crying po per se ene Oma man nkwa yare God's love. Me na make a show. Pennyfo no.
Okay.
Papa pennyfo no. Omo na said your man nkwa yare.
Really?
Yeah. Probability a one yare no mo de ma nkra youth no say youth no. Very high. If it's on what big since the 70s, 60s, 50s, what big everyone or their bedroom family on penny size. On pay will be or China 5 years. On no now 65 no check on pay will be when you need to in Pobe 10 years and another 5 years or pay on cry. It was almost a cry doing more. I know him the crying so pay as you to know. When him say cray, oh bonny ha, a boy Jimson Tims of a man iPhone a fat. O bonny has a man a judging between the teams say week, woman say a fat. O bad between the teams of baby a German a fat. Into a minimum crying weak point. Into a moment about the full support any full neighbor. And after the I love you.
So it could be advantage.
Emma
so
and I'm so person say dating old women men no and answer women no there's no advantage in it. Mumu say oh boy financially or bebo at least oh diba said they were kind of
so you see saying advantage.
An advantage. Oh now how that as work know how that but you don't know.
Let me come.
Advantage when I also say we date papa penini. Your nana or grandpa size.
That's the reason why I made a statement say advantage, disadvantage, and how to go by
and
it.
that's not the question I'll say. Maybe the question baby before the end came free home see if you say okay or may confused say boss like better us no say yes in dating penifo. We better now can say one now kind.
Yeah. But obia sunim say when him say Wednesday in me call no I sat down. Na me call YouTube and na me share for interview and I know like in Crawford interviews yeah and meaning two ladies be I spoke with them I know what they do so I spoke to them see and say na and and do you know something akrabia or your bar na say we got on papa penny yes a measure o me say ya or no first of all and you don't know the call a comfortability obenya
contract
no comfortability ahoto enti no date sugar daddy
contract so can almost sign same penny for no more full relationship
what say na wo nim so you obi kunu enti na emfa ho
so is it good
so see and maybe idea bia there is good and bad in
but
it.
there's no good in this one
the research that I made there is good in it.
Okay,
we have advantage in it. I'm not educating anybody. The question here is the statement that we are discussing here and say Bibia is not good. That's the reason why when we tell you the good side of it, we tell you the disadvantage of it. So it's your choice to choose. Okay. So if said the disadvantage comes, then still na until once say now we go by it. When the sequence like the unfortunate things comes you know how to handle it
by yourself.
What you say? Even yesterday when I went to class near your chair propaganda, do you know something? Advantage will be because of propaganda there in a way na benefit but advantage it was two, disadvantage was many. You get it? So one way or the other, this that we're
Ghana for I can say wo betina studio ha no wo se someone mpani for twempena na eye e so na one can say o into person who educate you from the disadvantages from the negative to the positive so the be you negative ni na positive no mo say positive ni kwa nkwasa asem mo ni so
okay
okay o me negativity ni na positive na be kan ko mo ni say nkwasa asem if say o me negative in a way side effect na way the side effect I didn't know what say cause her.
Well, that's how you wanted us to start it. But the thing is
that's you, so maybe I will pick your figure. But I know my people.
you know your people. Whether I can even speak out the truth, I can cry. Say.
But still
now what you say. So one advantage. If you want us to start from disadvantage of you dating a married man, one, and say So we share married man, and your married man be akeke. Na be papa penny. Ah, who say one was settled dada. One yafi no no be she.
Obetimi awo na.
And then yet papa penny be akeke. Say be a papa penny be obesende 100 CDs and I say 200. Like in some wobi. Disadvantage a woman say when you date those men, in a way, the standard of living ebe high. Of which
for the disadvantage.
For disadvantage, the standard of living be higher. You don't appreciate young guys. So or the man what your fees or send you 2,000. Who person who sue 3 years, wa boa ma who sue we be a shop ama o emu aircon ni ade. What bedroom standard be a? Afe wunya sa nneema ni nyina wi a omo no ti penso ye pena omo so be ma na obo bra ahyase na enye se oni bi kura oba na ne so ne de no. You can never appreciate them because you think they can't take care of you. It takes 100%, it takes 10% of women. And it's me yes manya bibia wi ono so won so ne de ntime ne bobre ye. Most of them almost standard of living be high and they don't appreciate. So time and any baba no so say or pesa or settle down or show mu nyina o hu ne say asa o mu nyina o mu ntime muame na no mabie e de obetimi akoto we say loaded fried CB.
When you be a wiki be a 2K now the 5 minutes.
2K Friday say sha. And that crowd would me ko baby ya or nails near ya 1,000. And see if say you have such kind of sugar and I said nipa bisa or wasika 2,000 is nothing. You get it. And see nipa ne no ma bi enti wono better no dru baby no hu ne sa so ntimi na still wa papa ne da so hwe na better ne papa ne be wo baako. And the lady don't care. What be ya about one? And remember, say most of them, they don't care about you, sir. What you say, they have their family already. So first, one disadvantage of it, they say, when you be, of which when you be no, will understanding of you knowing right person, who is so bit to you get blind with it, so you don't notice. Secondly, you be probability say whenever say who dress a standard now. A drew baby of Phyllis said, when you're skinny, we hear, but you become a single mom. Single mom now, when you're because it probably it could be a married man. Obano Tetia would be raising in Aya woo only, of which if say you only I and Tatiana and your good Obano so can end up like you. So probably most of the times the lady told me that lady most of the times you could see say oba or bawa wo baako or no see the yo someone and isu na no one or the attend ba make say or kwakoye ne nails and ba ni di nachi or ko say what you say so akwana apeki the same thing. So this is two disadvantage no afa so no most of them they don't know how to save. Because when him said they be a papa no or bisano or bemaniska, so most of them they don't know how to save. So be basic. So that's the reason why so ni penny free life mupe no about square
0.00.
And those people about 0.0000 in area. Do you know the end? They become prostitutes. Because standard no medruno a common dinner high so. Young girl or besha say no crofade that copim say bia was having a papa bia or to set ni wonya no wosika.
So is it good?
It's not good. It's not a disadvantage. You get it. And also dating those men a do standard be. Standard they do say. So when you your ban wa juma be ye now you're very matured. No with the year with Juma, any be no we need the form say alongside down the papa nature plan puno upe ubia or new age bobo and answer when you see a crowd person and a bobra.
I know they
So a bit more on woman yes can you or when you need so but so when you was so probability say who carry we in matured way who bet me a quakushia bema or no tip and so ye pa or no so was go bet me a show ye high. High because when the papa penny change now no
say when the papa penny first now he and being broken to now I'm telling
you I asked when him said
thank you, pa. Like, I said, one man say, when I asked the lady, this is the same question that I asked. How also know who that because because on tea or see and because on do say wouldn't papa pennyada but standard or the way drew Nisabu Yansa now was wenya now who wouldn't say what they are so we were Juma Crampa why you were Juma who you be seen you see carrying when no one found Conquer club and nancy and now for some not long last what's up with ya bemo you good no sa was car when you're proud.
God's love, you know something, you don't have to be confused right now. Say when need daho as oba. I was say 18 years one who they open. Yeah. 18 years. Brunin Jimmy. So betray 18 years at all say be the 18 year when you know maybe. But when you say you open sometimes it comes with situationship. And then I was so 50 you can open a brabo people 18 years. Into at the age of 18 when you near Juma so I said be your bar said be Jimmy. Who depending on Bema so. See the beer Bema when dear. Unidi se bema nto paste ne brush ama wa ndwuchi wo se se bema nto pad ama wa obichi ma ne na mo sa umfa pad mo se bema no ko be se onim nyansa at that age no eye bone se ukwakofa papa se so una na se so na one na twempanya ware o tie
no na ye disadvantage
tie me ade we advantage bia ni de ye kan yimu se ebe boa oba a what is say wo bobra so the papa panyin sugar daddy obi a ware ba ko twempena e bone ma a bible enfo aso
but till they bone but they do it akoye to say
do na they do it no benya obi a say so do mengomura na the gay ba so nyankopon shi gay eni ho sama fo e turu mutu into ye da benya se bi kwase abi obeye
ne is there
ba me kasa che madwen mate say wa wusi wa won kofa papa panyin se sugar daddy minim say wo wonye it's na me pese wo educate omo with the negative things into be we negativity no me say advantage bi nim if so when the can money ebeba any money e wo hu ni na awie
but we don't need to lie to them say an disadvantage wom so advantage wom to be honest
advantage wom kwa na nyansa bi anim esaya bone
and na make esaya bone
mo mu say advantage bi ani ade we ya wo kan me pese me mo mu say advantage bi ani wo
advantage wom you don't need to lie to them
no and it's advantage no one say be bone ma esaya bone ma was a Christian you know it
When if you crump say you be say you be kunu crump no na wo sa wonim say yes be ma crump unware like unwa oba unware na woni me ma so twemp na ye mu ejini nyina ye boni so eye boni ni nyina eti na ye what disadvantage ye what advantage
ye o kan o kase advantage wo ma na say wo pese o che mo say che bibi papa o mu nto mo nko so hwe
I'm not saying that
ubenya obi a na adwene ni fie tie mi o nipa adwene nye pe o ubenya obi a na adwene we akire ade wo ken obefa de wo ken a wo kase advantage wo abone bra basa so kwa na lady bi o mutrante o ma mo kwa se o sugar daddy do offer ye the hands be bi adwuma ma o na do mutiri mu say o so nko pe sugar daddy ye mi adwuma ma no
sugar daddy bi na be bi adwuma ma o
that thing is no good say we be date and I say no papa saso obi a onim so betimi awo a enya ware e ba ko twempena abra onim se wa ware o wajire and I say the only yire kwa na wanyini papa we ne ho akono be na ho ne ho sabi papa panyina ono wadwam a wagin na ewuo akono be pa na papa we hu a wo be akoda wo se on mefa young girl already 18 years
we say sabi you yes apom sa papa from pretty for yes apom peta anajo
no no tete sem na 48 nyoma na na woni mu vibe bi ani mo de here seska njo no ni oni woni nkomo busa onu woni bibe ko seska baby I need na me kwana me come say me petals no sa we da be na me hu o de me trust me hu metime hye wonu me ya onu de me na obepe ofo nkosi ba bia so wo yare a wato ama flat ana no so wo yare o meka nche wono bewu o meka nche wona wasi so say me wo yare nti debi papa na wafa o say o ye sugar girl o say sugar lady o say hwan na wafa ne say o ye sugar daddy ma me kan kire o papa no say o ba wo hono ma o bompa e say ne ba ne me say wo kwase ampanyini na wafa o say o ya ne girlfriend
and they say it true.
So what's good in this one? ono na of us ono o twe o ya kraketo na ono papa panyin ono o twe mpra no o say bom paye say ne baba e make it up to wo say an onye say wo on benyini me say wo na ono o twe mpra no nti hoko say mu di so nyansa say the papa bi enim
hey unim bibi uma
Bible for us say akraketo any papa panyin ko twe mpra.
It's not right. See by
for sexual health kra no and I say u future be look bright no emma wutirim kwa say papa panyin enkotwe mpra so oba o pese o bibi wo life ma and that's obi be papa panyin sugar dey be shop am nko dey be mu aye o we have to tell them and that's when you be o so gu anum no
and then a delay kind was success is not sexually transmitted
and that's a situation ana o time na eduru so say udi de no na den na wudi no dwene ho say debi dwene ho wudi de na debi hu say na lankusa be fa na utinu anwen wo say na ehu na wo na be duru ho na boy no so afa ma na no so o me fa o be ka say nkokorafo hu so na ewura mu no parazo ewura mu too much say kwa no fo no ba bia tete egu say nkokorafo na ne o modae ono young boys ana na nsu papa egu mu nkokorafo no asabi ebi hu so ayese parazo no ana ye pigu mu musa na modene nam enti mo no kwa mo nam no kwa manyini e wo sunsun afa na eba hu na mani manyini say no mo da wo nyini mu enti manyini na enti ko sha young boy ne kwa vibe bi enu mu bio vibe e bi enu mu bio enti na boy kana me ne net kana na support no me ko ba na ma brain bi no oni bi boy no wonyimi o study onyeska onim so be si treat ono ba ko fa nkora se woni ne to ko fa panyi munyeska ba ko fa akora
ba me ba uma ne wo kanyina on etoke sense o enne na me read ade bi o Ghana web I forgotten the person's name on akoye to set right now no asem ba na ye ka on e ma ne nye se ase Ghanaian woman anase parent or tete ne ba na ne ba no o kan sem bi kire no ba ni asem na o ka kire no ne ma ne realistic e be ma akra ne so ko ti bi wa bonte enye na de foforo no like they cover that part no mu die ni no na se bi o akoye te se car wa waja ne nan ne ani awo na ase peche what you say that is it do send your kind the Bible speak against it ade bi agane we are see no most of them the Bible speak against it you get it but we need to also yes anwe no na won say akwani ko hu ade ni wie na okeche say na ade na nye no nya ko hu say ade na nye obate yema na otitese like otiatese
no ye ono na dwen
yes no matter what I na dream because whenever say parents speak sense to us ye nyini bana we have that kind of sense in mind asami e mama aka no wakache we trim but they do baby ye nyini we take decision to break that nyansa na e mama de man but adia sensible child be aba so you're cautious about it you get it that's it so the thing here is no matter what I can say a bonnet no only papa penny na play a bonnet but only young boys also play a bonnet is a disrespect to even your parents because when so but the thing here is I say main kofa papa penny on na me fa o ma sisi ekwa na me fa wa unim say afa na me fa no se bi unsem obi na me na wotia say ye age same age am ebra me ho ase bia probably say obetimi aware me ye high no unim say advantage so say be ma me na wo twempena
oh eno ne wo ho
what you say
but I want you to tell them say is it good
it's not good
that's it and I'm say my youth who educate you say it's not good so there's no advantage in this
there's advantage
oh advantage about you bone what to say so ko ha you twetire wo hanum say ongo hokora nkoso hwe ba wo be waje say me ko ha ampati twetire me busa question wo be be catch say ko ha bitwa oti wo be catch ba ko say chinchina be ko ha si twetire ampa
me nko but say twetire ye different from the topic that we are talking about but yeah
so wonko
but the tennis
yes it's not good
it's not good but
old
it's good.
Men what's good about this and what's good in this bibie no why the papa o say oni papa panyina wanyina sen o say go say wo ka bibi say say o person educate o say papa say oni mpanifo or say only unya sugar daddy as a guy and then interna.
But have you forgotten say me can't asem we say and my aunt na ha saying can't I don't want to sit here na ma be make statement be what ha say it's no good. It's no good, you know. What catch and yenny ba na ebi mpa ma me oh kwadwo oma you don't wanna ye wadwumonya skasie bi wo background pa de fa ho sie wo kunu. But do you know something? You can say wukunu and wukunu na wama ne huwadeja then. One can roll 10 inches. This things like this can happen, and when it happens, this is what you need to do. And tina krano onya kwaye ba kope. Na dia okechan say nya no ati ati.
Goslab, you know your problem.
My problem here is
you know your problem.
My problem.
Asam no, and one I walk on. Ba o you say asam na kan o person che say. Oye de ko be ni obi o yes ade no ba me pese wo so ka mo se enye
ti
ene say you I say me na me di gay example no so do mangomure na gay ba na Nyankopon shi kuro ni say e bone kuro bene ye wo mom yetrum oye den you be ni obi obeye but I want you to educate them say it's no good and there is nothing good in this one. Say what you akwaketo akwa no koso we say papa panyi kwa de omu date me do me so egu onum science ni mame ko ebi shop e bi kono akoto ka mame momu say there is nothing good in this. But
when him bibi say I don't know the reason why I say if say you know me better since say ye adwuma na na say but do you know something your opinion me when you say your opinion and I will come and your opinion is telling you say it's no good. It's not good now, it's true. It's not good. And when I hear disadvantage, it's not good. And yet, I didn't know.
Ain't the man was share free negativity no. Who make negativity in an area? Yeah, I did be I was here funny say positive room into em bra. If you say the engine yaka.
Okay, with the right.
When you say with you, kind of no say enye. Say God said be me betina am say eno sugar mommy am ne ko dai dey be betina me ka sugar mommy asem wo we see akunye yi mu we ka say o ma hwe ohun yi o na enye manfo ne dey
me woni meka but ni
hwe ohun yi che say enye say we ka che o say menye despite baba o inu ma ne we wi o ade ntina ka chem say we wi bi so ye young o ye me age mate abetimi na mobra ntina ka chem say me wi but me ka che say Friday bia me sugar mommy bia me ko shine no because me say me hwem hu yi ade ntina ka chem say me hwem hu yi
me ka say
one she is very old. And you say, Mamma Penny, Baba Bini, what can I say? When they must I didn't make what and yet it's like I can say him who ye. As I am conscious, as I am bonnet.
Wouldn't him say a bonnet, but didn't know him say a bonnet now that's sweet. Didn't Tiana, yes, sir. And no some person will say, what's a more kind of chance say? Oka Kwana won't conform more yet. And conform more ye, oh dear, Upper so no say no. Some Kofana who travel to said, medium trumon or more, yet day or Bako ye. Yeah, the time like I want us to wrap up. So the tennis, when him say a bonena, why are dear? When him say a bonio about Gusuye, into then a man wo yes I did now say a bonena, then a man yes. Is it not money? So is that advantage to you? Into money in a money advantage. Matthias, into there say for baby. When him say yes, baby, if I be a yes, a bonio. When him sad in a bonny, and then I'm say, yes, say, when him, I didn't win him so any papa penny in a trip, when him say a bonny, when him say a bonny in a chino, who go suaye, and today, and my way, yes, our bonny now, when him say a bonny, it's money. What can I say? Then I show you now, yeah. Yes, because of when you know, I show your bonny, oh, the old candy. The who can in that say, and I shall see it. Yes, society. Chrono, because Chrono, a maniska. If it's Obia, you have a career for about Tom for every man and Mosa and as a man, I have by a goodness and so from Goofy, maniska. A young man, nay, say, a year, a young man, Chrono, Honum, a yes, and Papa Boy, Jamai. Listen, what can the son of Pachi? Don't change my we now hear comments, hear amount for drink children. See. Bibi say tani hia sa nyoma no obokro no a enye ogbo adwama ye enye woni papa pani e twempana enye woni pa no so na we wonim say enye but then tin na ma wo ye sa de na wo hu ne say enye ne is because of money so the the money that you get is advantage.
It's not advantage.
It's advantage.
We are quadruple to the extent say you have so many ways. We have so many ways. Last Wednesday and last Monday, Yanni and Tanaka said, "Oh, bad year." It was so you were Juma, and it was depending on Bema, so you were Juma. Sir, no need Pediana better and I catch and say, so only Papa you could train oh, a boo hey. A yana and we are quadruple to the amount. If you say you have, you know, and I wouldn't even call me breakfast with a pesica as Oba, see me. Who quite be and your quite bonnet so. I and you say only Papa and you back or train and quite a woman Ubenyoska. Who is your son near Juma? What's me film? I was on the dear. What you told you, Ope? The Ope be ultimate talk. Bema, person in the Casana and Casa, Bema also on the train, if you say, oh, the Ope. I won't depend on Bema so. And your bonnet and mouth, if we say, Unim San more raining, say it's Capempono, your quite bonnet, and your quite papa. We bet me up with this Cadrenias Sika, we bet my brain Mojanias Ska, but what Unim say, Sicaduna Koje and your quite papa or Cofa Koje, consequences ever later in the next future. Oh, yeah, where? And also, yeah, says so be brain Mojani, they build himself because if you or your power, you say, I know Oyenisika, only the source of income. Unim say quite papa so. And to remember, I can say, you advantage in dating old women, no men. Now advantage a woman say a sika. So Casa, oh, you're wrong. If we say Unim say the way saying in a jury, Unim say you were quite papa so first car, and they walk quite bonnet so a first car. Into what was I him say a quite will first day quite bonnet. Say what to own year and have a puppy, no from no 1,000, or from 2K, or from Apple Mao 3K. The woman had a question about Penny. No more, yes, I won't say you. I bring out Cosia Tribo. Who could see nails, eh? Who could say you might for be a tribo like a man, but you might be. I ain't your choir will be better for so no other. And I so could my no dance and the force of a buttery. Will be no better. Say my mentor names are dancing, my mother buttery. My mentor names are dancing, my mother be news here. The new ones are Beneman and Pessanio Mano. In so gumuna, so the Baco PS outside on. If it's about what we school, and what's a wee baby, so that what you only penny or Bemesi. You didn't say we be, oh, Goslav, yes, say, ala, oh, Goslav, coyed my bed again, and near you. Hey, or Bassido in your Bema papa, you. By never in your bisu, no, I see. Pizza and Kutawa Shawama, loaded fries, Nikutano, and you send a cura them. Now, an opana range over Swabbe Falco. You know, you need to, and I have Papa Susan. Mammy, say, oh, dear, yeah, rapping, rapping. We know rapping up. Say, time will go any of it and a hammer, actually. So, that make Oma, am I in the point of discussion? See the or no, or see who said, or see when it me and 99 people. Me and 99. So, right now, we know Oma, dear, or say, a bonny advantage be any. But to me, Goslav, a dear beer, a bonny beer, ugusu yeno. When him say a bonny, but ugusu ye. And to be to say, wo bokrono. When they will be kunu chempana, who boy jamai. What a dear beer, we beer, one him say a bonny, and so what that's why a yeno. Why do you keep on doing it? Because you get something from it. It could be money. And there's something you want and you get it from it, no? You can work for it. That's something you can work with your hands. And then when 19 na deba just have something. Oh, Uma, and ukasa and answer listen. See, obetimi akwakọ yeduma. Wo ka we nyina no ye ni ahyawo wo Ghana ha. Onim sa adwuma wo ho no okoba ahyawo. Tell adwuma no. Yes. Enti enyo. And I me tell say it's kind of advantage of ashawo now all born say the person is able to feed herself. Wa ma ashawo onidi. Wa ma ashawo onidi. And ukoka say ashawo fo no krampo no ebi mu krampo mo boss so akom de wo obi ye adwuma so akom de no. Enti what is you wom. So me man ne tintin ni tete nyina I want to say here they say ade bia wo ye wo bo adwaman wo no obi kunu na ete wo ye den o ade bi wo bokro no na wonim say anya ba you keep on doing it ayaboni o but there is advantage in it advantage na e wo mu na ma wo koso ye adekro that is the money say yes store ye baby ama o say ye den o so that's it ade bia ni wono ma ye boni advantage in him
adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ bɔne bia advantage wom nti wo bo adwamanya advantage wom ne sɛ wobɛnya sika bɛyɛ bɔne wobɔ korɔ no a wabo wewie obi ade ade na wenya na ama o pleasure se wewie obi ade wewie obi phone ayɛ advantage ama because wokoton a wobɛnya sika eti ade bi ɛyɛ bɔne bia ne there is ade bi ɛyɛ disadvantage and there is advantage in it aha ne ade discussion ni nyina ebesi your producer ne de wabɔ me so pa because o mouse we hiti and o meba no sound crofo hyehyɛ bi odi bi atwa ne to na ɛfa na num ba okasa ra it's a very thumbs up to our producer ni international man pa
nti aha bia so de na quiz so de next
sika won na de enti aha ne de discussion ni nyina besi enne o ma kasa ya how to go by them yanka. So next time, whenever we get the opportunity again in Yankopon ma yahoden, we are going to talk much about it. Me and me di dwumedie hu hima Goslava and then the MCO master so at one side I hear discussion about it. You can training stories are social media. First story I can want some Kete Joshua or Kase Ya Jackson in Nonto essay. And our face so yanka say papa shatawale so nsama walking in and say nisi kenyina wo wenye nyina no ne modern bo inti
music money
munjai de
music money
and discussion about say dating obi a wenyini esen wo and a married man married woman advantage and disadvantage. So we made vivid explanation about it and we realized the same. O ma de bibia ye bone advantage ni bibia de bia ye bone mu ba me so se ane ade bia ye bone bia advantage wom o ma say ade ye bone bia advantage ni ba de a ye bone bia so me say advantage wom because e bone proper
bone bia so bia so be wi enguase no wo na beto nti say ono ne ka say advantage ma ti munya ode na ne kokorafo ne da saa na say udi 30 na say sebi wade na agene ya sade na agene ya agene ya omomu ne meka agene ya obi ne ho ka kwa won theater nka bia na won kwa tena wi ase
enti me pacho dwumedia wo hwe BKH agrochemical na so yasene ema ye di dwumedi ema wo obi beka se ye de ye den wo pacho wo ye efuo anasa fi na obehye wo efu ase wo pese onoba ye na efu kama na utimi nya bi kwoton nya sika ehya wata so a BKH agrochemical kumasu omo mrom na obe main office ho na omo wonom seshi omo tua fa Ghana baby ubenya bi ato na afi so pese woni ye digwa so a wadama ubetimi so ni ye digwa number ni 0207170130 midi the ghost lover fu meda sese wonya bre na watie bye bye.
Cool TV shining bright.